Heto
Dami
ako
ng ad.
at isa, pero nandiyan ka na at sasamahan mo ako sa kung anong pwede kong gawin. I love it.
Lagi na maguba.
I hopped on the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame. Am I gonna make it? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right, and I see a hundred signs. Is it all so crazy? Everybody seems so famous. My tummy turning and I'm feeling kinda
Yes, concert tayo dito, guys. Para mutuutan ako. Mutuon ako. Ka naman, Gigi. Ay, nako. Parang wala talagang energy sa live mo yan, guys. Sorry na. Yun na naman sa bigas. Thank you so much, Dad. Ayan na, di ko kinalimutan mo ha. Kinalimutan ko eh. Wala ako, ang bigas ng magkain. Tawid na natin tong live, guys. Panindigan ko na to. USA,
My Colleen. My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything I need to get done in a list view. Next, I set a priority and a due date to keep things on track. I create custom statuses to
Wala akong pera. Ay, ano pala siya? Parang remix. Hi, Kuya Ken from Carmona City. Layo ko lang. Ay, malapit ka lang.
Night, darling. See you tomorrow. I'll show
Yeah.
you how the best. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Lick it or do
Maaga
it.
tayo dito, guys.